How to access professional dashboard on Facebook. So if you want to access professional dashboard on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to log into your account in which you would like to have the access of professional dashboard. Once you've logged into your account, now you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And once you have the horizontal lines, now you need to go with the profile. And on your profile, if you've logged your profile, then first you need to unlock your profile. Go with the 3 dots, which is on the right side, and then tap on unlock profile and tap on unlock. Again, tap on unlock your profile, which is on the bottom. Once you've unlocked your profile, now what you need to do is you need to turn on the professional mode in order to get the professional dashboard. So go with the 3 dots again, which is on the right side, and tap on turn on professional mode, which is here on the bottom of your screen, and tap on turn on. Tap on next, which is on your bottom. Tap on confirm and tap on done. Tap on next, and that's it. Now you can just skip this part. Tap on go to professional dashboard, which is on the bottom, and it will take you to your professional dashboard. Tap on get started, and now if you go back with your profile, then you will have the professional dashboard. So that's how you can access professional dashboard on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.